Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
I'm using a classic Indian winter produce called Fenugreek or Methi, and what I'm making is Methi Murg or Fenugreek Chicken or Methi Chicken, whatever you call it. Let's begin. This one, trust me, is one of the simplest chicken recipes ever. You can convert this into a gravy, into a curry. That's a complete personal choice. What I'm doing is making it a little thicker, almost like gravy, so that we can, of course, eat this with roti, naan or chapati. But of course, you can also add in some more stock or water and make this nice and runny with rice. First things first, in the pan goes oil and ghee. Once the oil and the ghee both heat up, and if you notice, I've actually used a little more of the oil because I like it little masala types. I'm adding in seeds of cumin, to this bay leaves, and with this red onions, which are roughly chopped. Chop them up, dice them up, slice them up. That's a complete personal choice. What you can also do is run this into a puree or a paste and use onion paste. Simple. Allow this to turn slightly golden brown in color, and to kind of aid that or help that, I'm going to add in some salt. Stir this well and allow this to just kind of begin caramelizing. While that is happening, let's quickly make a masala paste, for which I'm using dahi or yogurt or curds in a bowl. And to this, I'm going to add in all the dry spices or the dry masalas. To begin with, some haldi or turmeric. To this, I'm going to add in seeds of coriander, which are crushed, lightly roasted and crushed. Chili powder as required. You can take a chili that is well spiced along with a touch of color. Well, this is the only time that I'm going to use spice. I'm not using green chilies or anything of that kind. So this is kind of one for all. To this, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, which is fresh. And to this, some garam masala. Let's mix all of this well and keep it aside. And for the interim, let's concentrate on the browning of the onions. Once the onions turn golden brown in color, I'll add in the dahi mixture. Scrape this well because, of course, it has all the wonderful goodness of the spices, ginger, garlic, and dahi. Mix this and cook this on high flame for at least a minute or till this starts releasing oil on the sides. Like I said, it's absolutely quick, simple, and easy. Once the oil starts releasing the sides, I'm adding in chicken pieces. This is chicken, which is like a curry cut. Let's add in the pieces. You can give it a simple marination of just some turmeric powder and salt, but this is just perfect as well. With this, I'm also adding in fresh fenugreek leaves. These are picked, washed, and chopped. While picking the fenugreek leaves, all you need to do is ensure that you only take the tender stems and not the thick ones or the tougher ones, because that will leave an untoward bite which you're not looking at in this recipe. Mix all of this beautifully well together and allow this to cook on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes till the chicken kind of gets seared on the outside. Once the pieces of chicken are seared on high flame, we lower the flame, add in just like half a cup of water, and this is only to ensure that the chicken, one, gets cooked, and two, the masalas do not get burnt. We cover this and cook it on low flame for 20 minutes or till the chicken is nice and beautifully tender. With this, our Methi chicken is done and ready. Off goes the flame and the steam needs to settle for 10 minutes and then we'll serve this. Now this straight goes, of course, on the dinner table, and this goes amazingly well, like I said, with naan, roti, fulka, chapati, anything of your choice. Just one thing for you, in case, and don't hold me for this, in case you do not get methi after winters, all you can do is add in 1/4 cup of kasuri methi right at the cooking stage. On that note, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Get Curried, and for more such stunning recipes, stay tuned.